Hello everyone, I am Bhumika. Currently I am pursuing BTech in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in Srinivasa Ramanjanan Institute of Technology. Today I am going to explain you about the solenoidal vector and problem based on solenoidal. Before starting the explanation of solenoidal vector, let's know some information about divergence of a vector. If f is equals to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar be a vector function, hence divergence f bar is denoted by div f or del f bar, and it is defined as div f bar equals to del f bar I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar, that equals to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Divergence f bar is a scalar point function. Divergence of a vector point function is a scalar point function. Note, del into f bar is not equals to f bar into del. Divergence of a constant vector is 0. Coming to solenoidal vector, a vector f bar is said to be solenoidal if div f is equals to del f bar equals to 0. This equation is known as conservation of mass. Curl of a vector is del cross f bar, where f bar equals to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar be any vector point function, then it is denoted by curl f bar. That is, curl f bar equals to del cross f bar and is defined as del cross f bar is equals to modulus of I bar j bar k bar dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z f1 f2 f3. Then we get del cross f bar is equals to I into dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z minus z into dou f3 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou z plus k into dou f2 by dou y minus dou f1 by dou y. Note, if f bar is constant vector, then curl f bar equals to 0. Coming to irrotational vector, a vector f bar is said to be irrotational vector. Curl f bar equals to del cross f bar equals to 0. Scalar potential vector. If f bar is irrotational, then always it belongs to scalar function phi such that f bar equals to del dot phi. Before solving the problem, let's remember some points. Del equals to I dot dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z. Grad f equals to del dot f, that equals to I bar dot dou f by dou x plus j bar dot dou f by dou y plus k bar dot dou f by dou z. Next, div f bar equals to del f, that equals to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Coming to curl f bar, that equals to del dot f, that equals to det of I bar j bar k bar dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z f1 f2 f3. It is said to be solenoidal if the condition div f bar is 0. It is said to be irrotational if the condition curl f bar equals to 0. Now let's solve this problem. Evaluate del dot r bar by r cube where r bar equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar and r dot mod r bar, or show that r bar by r cube is solenoidal. In this problem, the given f bar as r bar. In formula we learned f bar. In the place of f bar, here in this problem the given r bar. Now let's solve this problem. Let r bar equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. R equals to mod r bar. R equals to root over x square plus y square plus z square. R square equals to x square plus y square plus z square. 2r into dr by dx equals to 2x. Dr by dx equals to x by r. Similarly, dr by dy equals to y by r. Dr by dz equals to z by r. To show that r bar by r cube is solenoidal, that is to prove del dot r bar by r cube equals to 0 or div of r bar by r cube equals to 0. Now del dot r bar by r cube equals to del dot xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar by r cube. That equals to del dot x by r cube into I bar plus y by r cube into j bar plus z by r cube into k bar. That equals to dou by dou x of x by r cube plus dou by dou y of y by r cube plus dou by dou z of z by r cube. That equals to summation of dou by dou x into x by r cube. That equals to dou by dou summation of dou by dou x of x by x into 1 by r cube. Here we can apply UV method. As we know, UV method is v into dou u by dou x plus u into dou v by dou x. By applying that, we can get summation of 1 by r cube plus x into minus 3 into r power minus 4 into dou r by dou x. Here they applied dou by dou x of x power n formula, that equals to n into x power n minus 1. That equals to summation of 1 by r cube minus 3x by r power 4 into x by r. That equals to summation of 1 by r cube minus 3x by r power 4 into x by r. That equals to summation of 1 by r cube minus 3 by r power 5 into x square. That equals to summation of 1 by r cube minus summation of 3 by r power 5 into x square. That equals to summation of 1 by r cube minus summation of 3 by r power 5 into x square. That equals to 1 by r cube into summation of 1 minus 3 by r power 5 into summation of x square. That equals to 1 by r cube into 3, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, minus 3 by r power 5 into x square plus y square plus z square. 3 by r cube, that equals to 3 by r cube minus 3 by r power 5 into r square. R square cancel. Then we get 3 by r cube minus 3 by r cube, that equals to 0. Therefore, r bar by r cube is a solenoidal vector. Is solenoidal. Thank you. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into solenoidal. Thank you for your attention.